Alright, it's a rainy 8 o'clocker, so we'll see. We're right on top of 8 o'clock, and we'll see what kind of madness happens. Maybe people will come out. Maybe we'll make some noise. Loachers are still on hiatus because we're lending the stage out to another performer. Got my favorite air horn. Sounds like somebody's playing a trumpet or something in the background. Star Spangled Banner. Love these guys over here in the Sky Building. They never disappoint. They never seem to disappoint. Got people over here in the Whitaker. Just a few people. Got the Pots and Pans band. Let's see if I can just holler up at these guys, because I love these guys. These guys always do it. Always do it. Yeah! Oh, we love these guys. These guys never disappoint up there at the Sky Building. They're always on it today. Yeah! Hello, Whitaker Building! They never disappoint either, man. You gotta love these guys. So, you know, even though we're loaning the stage out, and I needed that 8 o'clock boost right there. We're all in this together, guys.